Hi guys, Dev-initly Mario here. Today we want to work on our ghost book and all about that. But before I have to admire, in the last video I struggled sometimes in the last minutes because I think my light function didn't work. But that is not correct. The light function worked as expected. I did another mistake. I will show you short what mistake I have done. So you see, like in the last video, I cannot see the fingerprints at this position. But the reason why I can see it, I have made the V-Force capability to low because I don't want the video to stutter or stuck or anything like this. If I go up even to medium, you will see our fingerprint is where it has to be. So you have at the lowest take scalability of a medium, or you will not see the fingerprints. Okay, so much for that topic. Now we want to create our new ghost book. Blueprint, actor, ghost book. So first of all, we need something, a node. Maybe a node. We want maybe have tier levels like Phasmo or so on. So the best way to do it is with a node. So let us go on Fab and check for node when we want to check for free. Yeah, this is kinda good, but that is kinda good too. But no, I think you have to get all free or nothing. So we got this. This is a nice example. So far, so good. So we got this, and we could take off fingerprint on it. Well, let us see. What could we looking for words. Price cost free. No, that's not what we search. Look for blood. Maybe we take blood over it. Horror and decal. No, that's all not. Let us chow for decals here. Yeah. What do you think? Is that what we need? Yeah, that's in my project. But you can use this. I think the splatter is a good visualization. So this. Okay. Let us go back into our here, go on horror, equipment, ghost book. So here now we need two things. First, we need a static mesh here, and we want to get our new fab content in Notepad. Yeah, we want this. Yeah. Okay. Is that not right imported? Or what is here the problem? Yeah, it seems kind of problematic. So now let us go back here. Put it out. Go here. No, we have to. I will fix it short. Okay, guys, we changed our asset. The last one did not what we want. So I go paper, price free, and get pencil and paper, this one. So now we go back to our ghost book, add static mat, and then spin paper. Yeah, no, that's my taskbar. We go pen and paper, stage mesh, and get it here. It's you're kind of big. So we could scale it down here, but we don't do things like that. We bring it into the scene. It's massive. Wow. Wow, it's really it's massive. So we go on the modeling tool, we go on X-form, transform, 0.005. Yeah, it's still massive. So you see it's nearly bigger than our player, or I think it is bigger than our player. So yeah, that's a reasonable note. Yeah. Yep. That is good. So we complete it, bake on transform, accept it. Delete it. Go here and you see it's perfectly matched. So that is our ghost book without the activation of the ghost interaction. So now we need something to get for the ghost interaction. So we need here a plane. That's too big at all. We look now. Yeah, it's a little bit small. And we don't want, yeah. So we have to deselect, make a new plane. Yeah, that's what I want. 0.5. Yeah. Well, let us see how it looks. Yeah, so. And now we want here our splash. Megascan equals I materials, this one, and bam. Yeah, okay. That should not be like this. You are now. Short moment. Yeah, I changed my mind. We use no blot decals. We use a text renderer. You go here, search for text, so you can write some creepy message. First of all, our color of choice will be red. And we want to make it a little less, yeah. And it's supposed to be read every year. And we write in, I will kill you. Yeah. Yeah. Okay, we make multiple of them. That goes here. Maybe here. You can write in it whatever you want. It's only for the illustration what you can do. I will kill you. It's pretty simple, but now this too has to be under 1 year. We need something above. Or we make this to a child from this. And now if we put this invisible. Damn it. Okay, no problem. So we have to make both invisible. So now something can interact with it. In our place, the player will do it because we have no ghost. So it's the way it goes. So we need a seal collision. Yeah. Sorry for that. I will turn up my sound. So no more. So now we need our on begin overlap and on end overlap. If our actor has to be a person character, we want to activate this too. Set visibility to true. It's pretty simple. It's simple like that. It's really simple like that. With a real ghost, we do no other things. But we will make some changes. We not want every time the ghost come near a ghost book, he will activate it. But for this video, we want to activate this because we only want to show that it works. No need to make it harder when it did. So we place now our equipment. Horror game equipment. We place our book here. Yeah, here we can good see it. Yeah, we press on play. We go and go and go and go and go. And bam! I will kill you. Shocking moment. Sorry for that. Sometimes I'm a little childish. So yeah, that's it so far. We will work on the random, on the changes and so on at the moment when we will create our ghost. Before it makes no sense to make it harder or complicated. Now, because we have to remove the logic and then brighten again for the ghost, I hope you understand that. Yeah, I hope you learned something. I see. Yeah. Oh, before I forget it, we have a new polling. The polling goes what you want next. We have our content plan made till the end of the week. And in the next week, we have two choices. The first choice is we begin with a test ghost for our testings. The second choice is we will create our first map, a house, and so on. The order, if we do the ghost first or the map first, is not that relevant. So we can vote for that, and the most vote will get the content. The not voted one will come the week after. Yeah. Now I'm finished. Yeah, I hope you learned something. See ya.